to show you some tips and tricks to get the best out of your drinks machine. And to do that, we're going to use the DRNX DUO, which works exactly the same as the original drinks, but with the ability to pour 2 completely different drinks at the same time. A great nitro drink needs a great glass to match, and the best are ones that have a smaller rim than the base. So for example, a champagne coupe glass, a brandy snifter, or even a pub pint. But make sure you stay away from any V shapes like a martini glass. Chill the glass before pouring so the drink doesn't heat up, and make sure to angle the glass when you pour. This eliminates any splashing or bubbles. Plus, look at that beautiful cascade right there. But before you even pour, it's important to filter your drinks after they're brewed. This eliminates any excess brewing and ensures a smooth, clean, cold brew that tastes exactly the same as when you brewed it, even after it hits the fridge. Filtering is also great for the nitro process. It keeps the lines of the machine clear and makes for a creamier nitro drink with a smoother, more velvety head. Now, let's check out some special advantages specific to the DRNX DUO. Not only can you make 2 completely different drinks at the same time, but you can set one to nitro and the other to still. So let's say you have a long line of customers. You need 1 nitro cold brew and 1 still tea, and you need them fast. Pour them simultaneously and give yourself more time to put a little something special on there for the garnish. There are so many great drinks that the drinks machines can make even better.